Hello everyone. This is a Camry 2004 Toyota. Remove the center console and compartment and shift the housing because of my shift housing was shattered. I went to the Toyota part shop. I can't buy this one because it is all whole piece together. Gear knob, gear part, like a housing cover is $1,276. Use that much money, I can't afford it. So I just glue all pieces together. It takes me 3 hours, and then I just glue them all. I'm gonna show you how to disassemble it and assemble it. So anyway, I'm gonna show you the little bit of tips. So this is a gear knob, and the mechanism is about 2 screws on the back. It's hidden by cover. Slide it down, and there's 2 screws on the back. So remove the 2 screws. It pops open. The switch is quite tricky part. It has a locking system, so it doesn't come out. Once you lift the knob up, and it comes out. Okay, and this OD switch and its whole parts together, so don't try to remove it. Simply pry it and it comes out. But can you see the connector? No reason to take it off. Okay, just leave it on. Whole connector comes together, so it doesn't come off separately. And this cable, it hooks up here and bottom, and that is the mount. The connector clips, these clips goes to the customer scare box here. And this cable is about OD switch and also shift lights, like this size. It has a locking system as well. Once you put it in, it doesn't come off easily. So you use a tool. Handle remove is really hard. So this bulb was out, so I bought this one. I paid $5. Yeah, this is it, and I'm gonna show you how. And when you remove the housing, I think this one have to be comes off, but I don't have tools to push that away and then push back. This gear knob, it should be neutral, otherwise it doesn't go in. Also, this has 4 legs. The one leg already broken, and this each leg has a small hole. It has locking system here. Okay, it's just like this, and 1 2 3 4 screw, 2 screws here, one in the front, one in the side, and just cover it. I think you will understand. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 clips there, so just pry it, easily comes off. 8 clips, and this compartment as well. Here, 1 2 3 4. That's it. Before you put it in, have to put in the spring here. Lift it up, push in and out, put it in the place. And here should be neutral, but always careful the clip doesn't bend. And just put it one by one, gently push it in. All right, all done. Works perfectly, and even the light. Can you see the lights? Finally, I got a light. Woohoo! And this compartment, before you put it in, oops, my bad. So this compartment go up first, and this one just pry it and out, easy. Don't forget that connector. And this one cover, gently push that in. Okie dokie, all done. And try it. Yep, done. Okay, thank you for watching. See you and good luck.